So today I'm here to do the natural hair tag. This is the newer tag that was created in 2018 by KimberlyCherrell. So I saw a few people doing this tag and I wanted to join in. So I'm just going to answer the questions. They're all in the form of this or that. So if you're interested in seeing my answers, then you can keep on watching. So the first thing, it says to let people know your hair type. So I believe that I am a type 4 natural, and I think that I'm 4B, maybe. It's hard to tell because my hair is pretty short, but I know that the back here I'm probably 4B because I don't have like super duper like kinks. I have more coils, and then in the front it's way looser and it's more like ringlets, so I think that may be 4A. So I don't know, 4A, 4B maybe. If I'm wrong, somebody tell me. And the second one is, who is your hair inspiration? So my hair inspiration, I have a couple, but the people that I follow the most and that inspire me the most is Cherrell. So she's a part of the Glam Twins 334. I watch them all the time, and I like both of them, definitely. I watch all their videos, but I love Kendra's hair because it's like tighter coils, and I feel like she styles it because she wears it a little more neater than her sister. Like they have different styles. Kelsey's more versatile with her curls, but Kendra is very like simplistic and neat, and that's just the kind of person that I am. Like, I'm very plain Jane in a good way. I definitely, like, when I do let my hair, like, I do emphasize my curls, I like to keep them the way they are. I don't separate them. I just, you know, let them be the way they are. So I'm a very neat type of person. So yeah, Kendra Morel is my hair inspiration. The next question is low porosity or high porosity? And I am low porosity. I just learned that this year when I did my big chop, and I was trying to figure out why certain products didn't work or why they weren't working the way they used to, and I realized it's because I'm low porosity. So yeah. And it says deep conditioners. Do you like thick or slippery? For my deep conditioners, I definitely like them to be thick. I have thick hair, so I love that, like, when they just like clump onto it, and like I apply a lot and I let them sit, and it just some reason the thicker they are, the better it feels like it's working. That's probably like just in my head, but I don't know, because slippery, it feels more watery. I like my regular conditioner to be slippery, so I can detangle and stuff like that, but my deep conditioner, I need it to be very thick. Twist out or braid out. Now see, this is the problem. So I'm just now growing into like a longer, not even longer, I'm just growing out of my big chop stage, my TWA stage. I'm like this awkward situation between short natural hair and the big chop or a TWA, and I can't do a braid out or a twist out on my hair. I just tried to do a twist out and it came out a mess. I hated it. But when my hair was longer before I big chop, I did used to love doing braid outs. Braid outs were my thing, and then I would just use rollers on the ends, and I'll put a picture showing the way my braid outs used to be. So I liked it like that when I was straightening my hair a lot and I had a lot of heat damage, but I can't do it now. So wash and go or a ride set. Now I can do ride sets at this stage, but I hated it. It was ugly. I've never been able to do a ride set. Even when my hair was longer before I big chop. I've been natural for like 10 years maybe, but like once I big chop, I tried to do a ride set and it was frizzy and ugly, and it was so ugly. I hated it. Like, I wanted to put a bag over my head. It was so a mess. So like, no ride sets. Definitely my wash and go. So once I was able to figure it out, like, not doing no ride sets no more. It says perm ride set or flexi ride set. So this is another before I big chop question, because none of these questions apply to me now. Like, but yeah, so I definitely liked flexi rods before, but because they worked on my natural hair and they worked when I had weave and stuff, so I like flexi rods a little bit more. Maybe when my hair gets longer, I'll try to do flexi rods again, but for now, I can't do either one. I just stick on my wash and go. The shower or the sink? Like, I guess it's pertaining to washing my hair. My whole life, my mom has been washing my hair in the sink. She's been flipping my head over the sink. I've been flipping my head over the sink. Everybody in my family flipped their head over the sink. I've never seen people wash their hair in the shower until I used to pay attention to these commercials when I was like a little bit younger, and I thought that's how you're supposed to do it. I was like, oh, maybe I've been doing wrong this whole time. And I tried to wash my hair in the shower, and I used to get all these like back bumps and stuff. So I was just like, it works the same, but I just prefer, especially if you already don't feel like washing your hair and then you gotta turn around and take all your clothes off, get in the shower, then you gotta wash your hair, then you gotta take a shower because now all the stuff is all over you, and then get out. That's too much. Like, it make a wash day like 20 times worse than it need to be. So yeah, sink. And it says air dry or diffuse. I don't use diffusers. I don't use any blow dryers or anything like that. So I definitely like to air dry. Flaky edges or as they are. Now it just depends. I just did my hair, so I didn't even get a chance to swoop my edges or like lay them down or anything because I'm still letting my hair dry. But I would rather my hair, as a natural, I'd rather my hair be slick, because ever since I big chopped, this is a big top question again. Ever since I big chopped, I like to wear my hair in little afros and stuff, but what started to make me feel comfortable about my big chop was me actually like laying my edges and then having the natural hair. So I definitely like my edges being laid, but when it was straightened before, when I used to straighten it all the time, I never swooped my edges in like that. I just always thought that was just a mess, depending on how you did it. And I just, when my hair especially pressed, I never wanted it to get messed up by the goop on my edges. Like, I just thought that was dumb. So yeah. So fleeky edges now, before I used to like, no, as they are. High bun or low bun. I wore both when my hair was longer, but I used to prefer a low bun just because I would be able to look more presentable. I looked like I tried a bit more when I did a low bun. I could put a picture up too, but when I did a low bun, I would do it when I was deep conditioning, and I didn't want like to rinse it out my hair right away. I would pull it into a low bun, and the deep conditioner would like, you know, go clear or whatever, and I would just lay my hair down like it was, and I loved it like that. Deep conditioners or oils. I use oil in my deep conditioner, so I guess both. Bantu knots or finger coils, definitely finger coils, because I have short hair. I can't even knot my hair yet. And then even when it was longer, I hated Bantu knots. They just never worked for me. Protective styles in the summer or the winter. I don't know. I like my curls, so I just wear them. Like, if I feel like I want, like in the summertime, I did, you know, wear a few styles. Like, I wore weave and I braided my hair up, but it wasn't because of the summer. It was just more like I just needed a break from my hair. But I would rather protect it just when my hair feels like it needs to be protected. Like, it's not about summer or winter or whatever. But once my hair gets longer, I think I would rather straighten it or, you know, do something else with it in the winter time than the summer, because, you know, you got a little bit more playroom and you need to protect your ends. So probably in the winter if I had to choose. A bonnet or a scarf. So big chop question. Because my hair is short, I need a bonnet. A scarf is just going to smash everything down to my head. A bonnet, my hair gets smashed anyway because it's so short, but in the bonnet, it gives it a little more room to roam free and let my curls be a little bit okay. But if I tie a scarf on my head tight so it won't come off, they're going to get smashed immediately. So definitely a bonnet. Wide tooth comb or detangling brush. I have a Denman brush, and I don't really like it. I like wide tooth combs to detangle my hair when the conditioner is in it. That's why I like super conditioner, because that's when I detangle. So yeah. T-shirt or microfiber towel. I have a thing where I just don't buy things that I don't need. So if I got a closet full of t-shirts, I'm going to use those like I've been doing. I'm not going to, like, that's just too much. Like, if I happened to be in the store and I saw a microfiber towel and I thought I might want it just because, like, I probably would get it. But I mean, starting out, you know, my whole process that I'm in, I don't need to go out and buy a whole bunch of extra shit. So yeah, I definitely use a t-shirt. Gel or no gel? Definitely gel. Definitely gel. I did try wash and go with no gel before, and it was okay, but it didn't last long at all, and it was kind of flaky. So yeah, definitely gel. Length or health, definitely health, because I had length and I cut it all off. So health. And side part or middle part, I've always been a side part girl. Long hair or big chop or not, I love a side part. My hair looks the best in the side part now, and it looked the best in the side part when it was longer. So yeah, side part. Plastic cap or plastic bag. See, the thing about that is, now before I would use plastic bags because they were there. I never bought plastic caps because why? If I had plastic bags, it's kind of like the microfiber towel thing. If I got a t-shirt, I'm not buying a towel, and vice versa with this. But in Austin, they had this bag ban, and they banned all the trash bags, like plastic bags. So literally, if you wanted a bag from the store, you had to pay for it, for one, and two, they aren't the kind of bags you would think they are. Like, they're like really, really thick, kind of like a thicker, stronger plastic, so it's not as flexible as like a, you know, a convenience store plastic bag that you would think. So it's kind of a fucking annoying. So I do have to buy plastic caps now, and I use them all the time. And I use saran wrap when I don't have plastic caps. So yeah, caps. I say all that to say caps. So I think that was the last question, and those were my answers to the this or that form of the natural hair tag. So if you enjoyed the video, please like the video, comment below if I was wrong or your opinion or whatever. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.
Y'all wanna know why you don't stop? Y'all wanna know why you don't flop? Let me tell you, people.